All right, today we made over-the-top chili on the Traeger smoker. Stick around, I'll show you how. Hey everybody, today on Real Bites we're going to have some fun. This is a new recipe, haven't tried it before, but I've seen a lot of called over-the-top chili. We're going to smoke this chili. So here's what we got. First of all, we have to make the meat loaf that's going to go in the smoker. And I've got a pound of sausage, and I've got 3 pounds of lean ground beef. To that, I'm going to add in, this is 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. We're using Kinder's. And then we've got a teaspoon of salt. Get in right with that. Let's just get in this, mix it together. We got this shaped into a loaf, and we're going to take this and set it aside, and I'll be right back after I wash my fingers. All right, so for our chili mix, we're going to use this, we use this for fish fries on our outdoor cooker, but I just love that this says this appliance is not for frying turkeys. So I imagine that that's on there for a reason. And somebody has probably tried. I'm doing an extra large batch of this. You could always half the recipe, but we're doing a chili potluck in the community today. And so I want to make sure that we take plenty of this. And hey, if there's any left over, I'm going to bring it back and we'll just freeze it and have it for later. So, all right, in with our mix. So we've got 3 cups of beef broth. I've got 3 14-ounce cans of diced fire roasted tomatoes. For a little kick, we've got a can of rotelle. I've got 2 large onions diced. All that onion goodness there. I have 2 bell peppers diced. I have 4 generous teaspoons of garlic. I've got 2 more tablespoons of our Kinder's taco seasoning. I've got 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And I've got a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon and a half of pepper. Final ingredients, we got 6 ounces of a tomato paste. Let's get all this goodness mixed up here. Again, first time trying this recipe, so we're going to see how this turns out. So far, it's looking good, and it's smelling pretty good too. We've got this together now, so we've got all of our ingredients in the pot. We've got our meat loaf that we've made that's going to sit on this rack just on top. This is going to go in the smoker at 250 degrees. We're just using a blended pellet. You could really use whatever you want. And this is going to smoke for about 3.5 hours. So let's get to it. So we got our chili in the smoker. We got our meat thermometer in there. We're going to smoke to the meat is internal temperature of 165 degrees. And let's let it roll. Welcome back. Here we are. We've got our chili, the soup mix, and we've got our meat that we smoked over this. We got that off. You can see nice little smoke ring there. I could eat this as meatloaf all by itself. So all we got to do now is just break this up, add it in here, and then we're going to have chili. Well, we do have to do one more thing. Got to give the producer a little bite. Here you go, bub. We'll see you back in a minute. We got this meat crumbled up in here now, so we'll get in a little. We'll show you a close-up of what this looks like. It's looking so good. We've had a blast in the kitchen today. The producer is very happy and excited. Oh my goodness, that looks so thick. You could basically eat this with a fork, I think. I think this is the first time that I have ever made chili that I didn't put beans in it. So we're going to see how this goes. All mixed in. Get me a little scoop here. We're going to see what this tastes like. Well, that's pretty good. Really got the smokiness, got the flavor in there. The meat's just awesome. I'm enjoying the smoke that's in the chili itself as well. Got a little bit of heat to it, but not too much. And we got to get this loaded up and get it over to the neighbor's house so everybody can eat. See y'all next time on Real Bites.